Introduction to Botany. Parts of a plant. Let's learn the basics. The 5 basic parts of plants are leaves, flowers, fruits, stems, roots. It all starts with a seed. Seed contains plant material that can develop into another plant. This is called an embryo. The embryo is contained in a protective coat and may have 1 or 2 cotyledons or the seed's own food source. The plant's structure. Plants have 2 systems. The root structure. This is the part of the plant that's below the ground. These are usually roots, tubers, or rhizome. The shoot structure. Usually above ground, this structure includes organs like leaves, buds, and stems. It also includes the flowers or fruits of certain plants. The root system, this is the part of the plant that anchor it to the soil. It also absorbs nutrients and the water needed by the plant to grow. The shoot system. Stems and leaves. The stem supports the upper part of the plant. It acts as the root's transport to distribute nutrients and water to the rest of the plant. Leaves are parts of the plant where photosynthesis happens. It's green because of chlorophyll, which is the substance that captures light energy that converts carbon dioxide to oxygen. Flowers. These are the reproductive parts of the plant. These often have colorful, fragrant petals to attract pollinators, like birds and insects. A flower is usually composed of petals, stamen, pistil, and sepals. Fruits. These are fleshy substances that surround seeds. These act as protection for the seeds while also attracting animals to eat them, allowing for seed dispersal. Observe a plant today. Let's learn more in next session. Until then, take care, wear mask, sanitize hands and stay at home. Introduction to Botany.